Since 1982, JM Test Systems has been your trusted partner for electrical safety testing needs and solutions. We understand the critical importance of safe, accurate, reliable electrical equipment, not only for our operational efficiency, but more importantly for the safety of you and your employees. With strategically located facilities across the United States, we're dedicated to providing top-notch services to over 10,000 customers. Our widespread presence ensures that we're never too far away to meet your electrical testing and inspection needs. One of the cornerstones of our commitment to excellence is our rigorous adherence to industry standards and regulations. JM Test holds the highest regulatory accreditations, emphasizing our dedication to delivering quality and reliable services you can trust. When it comes to safety equipment testing, precision and safety are paramount. That's why our electrical safety testing lab is Nail for Pet accredited to test specific ASTM ANSI standards. Our services cover a wide range of electrical safety equipment, ensuring that you and your team are equipped with gear that meets the highest safety standards. Equipment such as insulating gloves, blankets, sleeves, electrical tools, dielectric overshoe footwear, hot sticks, and live line tools. JM Test is a full-service solution for electrical safety grounding cable needs. We have a vast inventory of grounding products, from cables to clamps. Grounds are custom built to ASTM standards F855, inspected, cleaned, repaired, and tested in accordance with the latest revision of ASTM standard F2249. All grounding systems are available for purchase or rent and tested prior to shipping. At JM Test, our experienced technicians are well equipped to assess and maintain your ARC Flash Apparel. From routine inspections to thorough cleaning with a mild detergent, and even minor repairs, our lab can provide the necessary solutions. Our extensive inventory of replacement components ensures that your gear is returned to you in a timely fashion, meeting your specific requirements. All ARC Flash equipment comes complete with a tech-stamped report, stating that a qualified employee has cleaned and inspected your ARC Flash apparel for signs of wear, adhering to OSHA recommendation for properly treated ARC Flash gear. Are you facing compliance challenges with your protective rubber equipment? Our inventory rotation management program streamlines operations, handling employee lists and equipment for you. Your equipment is kept separate in its own tote and stored in a controlled environment. Our customizable programs utilize your inventory for prompt PPE replacement, maximizing efficiency, saving time and money, and ensuring workplace safety. JM Test also offers bucket truck, digger truck, and non-destructive testing, performed on-site at your convenience, decreasing your turnaround time. We cover dielectric test of bucket liner, stress test, dielectric testing of upper and lower boom, as well as a thorough visual inspection. You'll receive an organized and complete documentation package, inventory of your trucks and equipment, and automatic notifications sent to you for retesting. We also now offer annual inspections on all bucket trucks and digger derricks. Included in the inspections are fluid levels and cleanliness checks, platform leveling system inspection, inspection of the boom at its truck mount point, and inspecting all functions and features of the digger's auger. Offered in 90-day, 180-day, and 365-day intervals per manufacturer specifications, our thorough inspections ensure your bucket truck and digger trucks are in compliance with ANSI and OSHA requirements. We provide tool repair service options as well, including mechanical, battery-powered, pneumatic, and hydraulic tools. Our services include cost-effective repairs and refurbishments, and specialized recoating for enhanced durability against water, oil, dirt, and contaminants. We service a wide range of brands, such as Burndy and Chambray, and are a certified warranty center for several manufacturers. JM Test provides traceable test equipment calibration services which are ISO 17025-2017 accredited, meeting rigorous industry standards. Calibrations are performed by trained technicians using documented and controlled procedures, and traceability with standards of specific accuracy. And our capabilities cover thousands of models from all the top manufacturers. Every unit that comes through the door will receive the following: traceable certificate, equipment cleaning, as found as left data reports, courteous retest reminders, and calibration sticker or seals where applicable. We are also an authorized repair center for many brands, such as Megger, HVI, and more. Let our technicians come to you with our on-site calibration services. All on-site calibration services are covered under our ISO IEC 17025 accreditation, and our mobile calibration laboratories are stocked with equipment and personnel as appropriate for your job. Most minor instrument repairs are also done on the spot. Enjoy fast turnaround, reduced paperwork, and quick and easy certification, all while reducing the possibility of equipment damage due to shipping. JM Test's convenient pickup and delivery services, available in many areas, ensure safe handling of your test equipment with our prompt, courteous drivers. Save time and money without having to worry about shipping paperwork and equipment damage. Do you need a simpler way to manage your equipment? Register for our customer portal for 24/7 fast and easy access to your records. Designed with customizable settings to fit your needs, you can view and print certifications and test reports from anywhere, check on current status of your equipment within our lab, view PPE inventory, check retest dates, and access open and closed order history. We have a dedicated high-voltage laboratory, and we specialize in servicing and repairing an extensive array of electrical test equipment, from discontinued and obsolete equipment to the newest technologies in the industry. Our clients can rely on us for support, even when others cannot. From megometers and high pots to high-voltage meters and detectors, our well-trained technicians deliver precise and dependable service. Let JM Test upgrade your breaker test set. We have years of experience and support ensuring your test set will look and function like a new unit. We offer basic upgrade and complete refurbishment options, and all parts come with a 2-year warranty. As a distributor for over 40 manufacturers encompassing over 20,000 SKUs, JM Test has the equipment available for you and your team to purchase. We have over 25 outside regional service representatives covering much of the U.S., so you'll have local support for your sales and service needs. We also offer a large selection of used testing equipment for the budget-minded customer through our surplus department. Every instrument is refurbished to JM Test's highest standards and is in like-new condition. Your satisfaction is always guaranteed with our 30-day return policy. JM's rental division offers one of the largest inventories of safety equipment in the industry. We have equipment and tools including hot sticks, arc flash, grounds, and crimpers from the top names in the industry. We also have a wide inventory of electrical test equipment in our rental fleet. High pots, high current test sets, circuit breaker analyzers, motor testers, transformer test sets, and more from names like Megger, HVI, and Doble, to name a few. We have everything you need so that you can rent it today and use it tomorrow. Imagine having access to your electrical testing equipment or accessories in one central, mobile location. JM Test can make it a reality with our customizable electrical test bench. With available options such as high current test set, power quality motor analyzer, motor surge tester and winding analyzer, vibration testers, and more, we can design a test bench to suit your needs and requirements. We also build custom solutions for transformer test benches. Whether you're pre-testing your distribution and service transformers before putting them in service, or verifying live full voltage ratio and saturation testing of your pole mount and utility transformers before putting them in stock, JM Test can work with you to find a solution. JM Test Field Services is dedicated to providing qualified testing personnel and inspectors for supplemental support during construction, startup, outages, and other occasions when permanent staffing for peak hours is required. By trusting JM Test to perform project controls, QA/QC, commissioning, and inspection services as your owner's representative, you ensure an even more consistent, uniform set of deliverables throughout the entire project lifecycle. JM Test also offers comprehensive and industry-leading training courses designed to equip your employees with the knowledge and skills necessary for a safe and efficient work environment. Our electrical safety training courses translate NFPA 70E and OSHA regulations into terms you can use, and our experts show you how to put them into practice. We offer private instructor-led courses at your facility, open enrollment courses in which we secure the location, and virtual courses. From a 2-person lab and a tiny calibration trailer to currently employing over 500 people. Over the past 40 years, JM Test has been committed to accuracy, reliability, quality, and service. We're here to solve all of your electrical safety and testing problems. We look forward to serving your needs, whether it's purchasing or renting from our knowledgeable inside sales team, having your test equipment calibrated or repaired by our experienced calibration technicians, or if you're in need of a custom built solution. JM Test Systems. Test equipment made easy.